Hi, my name's Simon from Motodrome. Now today we're going to take a walk around and a drive of this really rather lovely Morris Traveller that I'm sitting in at the moment. Two videos, one walk around, one driving, plus a bit of starting and idling action at the beginning of the driving video. Hope you like them. Okay, quick video of start up and idling on this Traveller. All light, ignition light come up as they should. Starts nicely. Bit of a rev to get rid of the ignition light, and there we go. Now we'll show you under the bonnet. (1098cc) A series engine here, just doing what it should. Was rebuilt a few years ago and just performing very, very nicely. I think it is actually the original engine, but I haven't checked the number, I must admit, but from the history it does seem as if the original engine was rebuilt, but performs very well. Next up we'll go driving. Okay, here we are out in this 1968 Morris Traveller, and I have to say it's probably one of the finest Travellers I've ever driven. It drives absolutely beautifully. Had plenty of these over the years, and you normally get some bumps and clunks and stuff going down the road. Nothing whatsoever on this one. It's absolutely super. Probably helps it's in 2024 it was it came out of a 3-year restoration by Cambrian Classics, although most of that restoration work, as far as I can tell from the bills, was body work and some interior work, but obviously mechanically it's in absolutely rude health as well. Showing 28,000 miles. Now we know that's 128 because we have got very substantial history with this one, but it only appears to have had 3 owners from new. Did spend a lot of its life in the Dordogne in France with the same owner that had it initially, or the second owner took it to the Dordogne, but yeah, and it came back to the UK in 2020. Really does drive nicely. Instrumentation, what there is, you've basically got a speedo and a fuel gauge. They're all working nicely, and the speedo isn't fluctuating too much. Heater works, not that you need it on a day like today. It steers nicely. It starts on the button. There's no misfiring, hesitancy or overheating. When I take my foot off the throttle sharply, there's no backlash through the transmission. You do get that usual Morris Minor rasp, especially when you take your foot off the throttle. It just performs very sweetly indeed. Standard spec mechanically, so it's still on drum brakes with no servo, so you do have to plan ahead a little bit, shall we say, in terms of braking compared to modern cars, but it does actually pull up cleanly, and it rides and drives incredibly well. Gearbox is nice, no synchro problems where there shouldn't be. Back into fourth. But a real pleasure to drive, it really is. Now we're going to go over the big bump in a minute. There we go. Cope with that admirably. Behind a lorry now, so we've got to go a lot slower, but I'll just there's no one behind us. Yeah, pulls up nice and cleanly. braking, it's not pulling to one side or anything. As I say, probably one of the nicest Travellers I've ever had through my hands in terms of both the way it looks and the way it drives. So there we are, I think we have it. My name is Simon. You can reach me in the office on 0118 907 1495, or you can go to our website, which is www.motodrome.com, for any more information.